Hey guys, let's see how to have the Tapo C615 work with Android. Here I have my phone with the Tapo app. As you can see, it's the TP-Link Tapo app. Okay, this is a camera from TP-Link, a floodlight camera. So it works with the TP-Link app. So here you just need to install it. When you come here to the store, just look for Tapo here. And then when you find it, you just need to install it and create an account. It's a free account. You don't need to pay anything. You just install it, open it, and you're gonna have here this plus button to insert a new camera. So I just come here, tap on the button, and then add device, outdoor cameras, and here I just need to look for Tapo C615. So I just go down until I find it. There we go, Tapo C615F, because it's the floodlight. So I just select this camera and I just check if the LED is flashing. Out of the box, the camera is gonna have the LED flashing like this, red and green. So you're good to go. Just come here again to your app and hit next. Now the camera is going to connect to your cell phone via Bluetooth. So you just need to make sure that I have Bluetooth enabled. There we go. That's the first step. So your camera connects to the phone, and now your phone can tell the camera which Wi-Fi to connect to, okay? It's not a Wi-Fi connection right now. It's first a Bluetooth connection, and then the camera connects later to the Wi-Fi. Now you just need to insert here the router and the password for your router. You just need to come here, for example, hit reselect and choose your router. In my case, is this one. And then you just insert the password and hit next, confirm.
Connecting to Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi connected.
There we go. So the camera connects now to your Wi-Fi's router. And then you just need to hit next, name your device the way you want, select a location, hit next again, select an icon, next, and it's complete. So basically working. Here again, you can just accept the 30-day trial if you want to record into the cloud. I will dismiss this for now. Hit just got it. In here, you just need to insert an SD card into the camera. I'll leave the link here in the description for a good SD card. You just need to open the rubber flap here under the camera, insert the SD card, and you're good to go. So just hit got it. Here's the information about the firmware update. Got it. And you just keep following every screen here and checking and just hitting next until we finish the setup. There we go. Almost there. And it's done. I will just exit the wizard and I have my camera working here on my Android device. So I can just select here and I see a live image from the camera. Okay. So basically working. I can even move the camera from here. See that the camera is moving there. Up and down and left to right. There we go. That's the way you can have your Tapo C615 working on Android. I hope that helps. Leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, give your thumbs up, and I see you in the next one.